5वीं साल है वुमेन्स कार रैली की, लवासा कार रैली। उसमें 2000 विमेन ड्राइवर है, विमेन पार्टिसिपेंट्स है, 500 गाड़ियां हैं और हर एक गाड़ी एक स्पेसिफिक कॉज को सपोर्ट करती है। और मेरे हिसाब से बहुत ही यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट है, जिसे आपने देखा कि कोई ब्रेस्ट कैंसर को सपोर्ट कर रहा है या कोई एक और कॉज को सपोर्ट कर रहा है। तो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल डे और हर साल इतने एंथुजियास्टिक है ये ड्राइवर्स। सो इट्स ऑलवेज इट्स ग्रेट टू बी हियर, क्योंकि मैं यही सोचता हूँ, जैसे मैंने स्टेज पे बताया कि आई थिंक women are always in the driver's seat. So I've got the women here who are in the driver's seat. So it's great to be here. I've actually forced Prachi to come here because it's a women's drive and we'd spoken yesterday. Or I think Prachi didn't really understand or comprehend the concept of a women's car rally. So it's great for her to be here. She was more than excited about being here, seeing women support causes out here. So.
Yeah, basically going by the film, it's only John who's supposed to be here. He's the one who's always surrounded by women, always getting women attention. And I was like, I think, John, this is your thing, you know, women's drive, and they're all going to be so excited because I think all of a sudden, इनको देखकर उनकी जो शुरुआत होगी, that's going to be a blast. But yeah, of course, I mean, it's great being here. It's for a good cause, and I've been hearing about this year after year, but it's the first time that I've actually come. Hopefully next year I'll participate as well.
Well, it's great to see women at the wheel first of all, and it's great to know that they're supporting a cause. And a rally does not mean just going fast. Yeah, a rally means going within permissible speed limits, being safe, and over and above that, in this rally they're supporting a cause, and I think that's what makes this Lavasa car rally absolutely special.
Very excited because they've been preparing for it. Of course, ये कोई competition नहीं है, but that doesn't mean that it's anything lesser than that. I mean, their spirit is great. I've actually had friends जो कुछ पिछले साल जिन्होंने participate किया था और वो almost एक महीने तक, you know, they were talking about this, preparing for it, and it's something that's very exciting for all of them. मैं सिर्फ जॉन की वजह से यहाँ खड़ी हूँ।
नेक्स्ट ईयर प्राची पार्टिसिपेट भी करेगी।
Only if John comes to encourage me. That's
she'll be in the car. I'll be a navigator.
Yeah. You know, it's kind of lovely to have so many people come together. हम बहुत सारे causes के बारे में हमेशा बात करते हैं, but when you have these many people join hands and come together, I think it makes so much of a difference. क्योंकि it makes a difference when these many people actually come together.
जी यही कहना चाहता हूँ, I'd like to actually speak about one cause, that's breast cancer. और breast cancer हम लोग बहुत ही early detect कर सकते हैं, and that's one of the initiative, the main sponsors of this. So just go out there and make sure you check yourselves for something that could be fatal in the future.